welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I'll show you how to fix agents not loading in Valorant using a few simple methods that work for most players on PC. First, check where Valorant is installed. If the game is installed on an HDD, slow loading speeds can cause agents to not appear correctly. The best fix is to move the game to an SSD. To do this, uninstall Valorant and reinstall it on your SSD drive. This usually improves loading times and fixes agent loading problems. Next, repair the game files. Open the Riot Games client and click your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, select Valorant and click on Repair. The client will scan and fix any corrupted or missing files automatically. Another important step is updating your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can cause loading issues and bugs in the game. Visit the official NVIDIA, AMD or Intel website or use their control panel software to download the latest driver updates for your graphics card. After completing these steps, restart your PC and launch Valorant again. Thanks for watching.